Question sentences. Once again, I am Malinger from Pullman. In this video, we will discuss about question sentences. Before we start, make sure you have the following: pencil or pen, then notebook. Question sentences. It is very easy to form questions in Japanese. Basically, all you need to do is add ka at the end of the statement. If you put ka at the end of the statement, it becomes a question. Para sa atin, yun yung question mark. Pag nakita mo yung question mark sa huling part, meaning it is a question. That's the same in Japanese language. Meaning, kapag nakita mo yung ka sa huling part ng statement, it is a question sentences. In this example, I use the pattern X, wa, y des. Ryu gakusei des. Which means I am an international student. Now, ilalagay natin yung ka sa huli ng statement. So, magiging Ryu gakusei desu ka? Ngayon, naging tanong na siya. Ang English translation niya is, are you an international student? Note that this type of question is a yes or no question. For example, below, Ryu gakusei desu ka? International student ka ba? So, paano natin yung sasagutin? Diba? Oo or hindi. That's the same in Japanese. We'll answer it as, Hai, Ryu gakusei desu. Or, iie, Ryu gakusei dewa arimasen. Next is the question word. In this lesson, we learn how to ask and answer questions using the following question words. Una is nan or nani, which means what. Second is nanji, which means what time. Third is nansai, which means how old, and the last is nannensei, which means what year in school. Let's start with nan, which means what. Nan has two pronunciations. The first one is nan, and the second one is nani. We pronounce nan as nan when it is followed by des or a counter, while we pronounce it as nani when it is followed by particles or when it is nani jin. This nani jin is a question you ask when you're asking about a nationality of a person. Our question pattern for nan is X wa nan desu ka, which means what is your X. So, how do we answer that question? We answer X wa nan desu ka by replacing the question word nan with your answer and removing ka. X wa answer des. Or my X is blank. The X here pertains to the topic or the noun being asked in the sentence. Let's go to example number 1. X wa nan desu ka? Our X or the topic in this example is senko. Senko is major in English. So, and nan is what? So, in this example, we're asking, what is your major? So, we'll answer that question. Senko wa nan desu ka? By replacing the nan by the answer and removing ka. So, answer would be senko wa eigo desu. My major is English language. Another example is namai wa nan desu ka? Namai is name in English while nan is what again. So, we're asking about that person's name. And our answer could be namai wa Mau desu. My name is Mau. Next question word is nanji or what time. And our question pattern is nanji desu ka, which means what time is it? How to answer nanji desu ka? It's the same actually. You replace the word nan with your answer and remove ka. So we'll answer it as blank ji des or answer ji des. And in English it is blank o'clock. In this slide, the question asked is nanji desu ka or what time is it, and our answer is yoji desu. Our next question word is nansai or how old and what age. Our question pattern is nansai desu ka or how old are you and what is your age. Answering nansai desu ka is the same as answering other questions earlier. Replace the question word nan with your answer and remove ka. Our answer is answer sai desu or blank sai desu, meaning I am blank years old or my age is blank. However, when answering this, be careful with your counters because there is a special counter in age. Right, let's try answering the question nansai desu ka? How old are you? The answer here is yong sai desu. Yong sai desu, which means I am 4 years old. In my case, I am 23 years old, so my answer is niju sangsai desu. Our next question word is nannensei, which means what year in school. Our question pattern is nannensei desu ka or what year are you in school. Nannensei desu ka, how to answer. Simple. Once again, we replace the nan with your answer and remove ka. So our answer could be answer nensei or I am blank year student. Nanansei desu ka? What year are you in school? Our answer here is ninansei desu or I am a second year student or I am a sophomore. Another example for the question word nan. Denwa bango wa nan desu ka? Denwa bango is a telephone number or phone number. And we're asking about the phone number. What is your phone number? So we'll answer it as Denwa bango wa ichi hachi roku no nana sang yong nana desu. Alright, points to remember. No need to put a question mark on a question in Japanese. Next, yes or no question. X wa y desu ka is answerable by hi or iie, which means yes or no in English. And third is nan or nani, the pronunciation of nan and nani. Nan followed by des or counters is pronounced as nan, while when it is followed by particles or nani jin, it is called nani or it is pronounced as nani. That's all. Thank you for watching and listening. Once again, I am Maureen Joy from Pulme.